Assalamu alaikum Tarbia youngsters. Welcome to another episode of our segment. I am Miss Fatma and today we are going to draw. What are we going to draw? Now you need a clean sheet of paper and a pencil. Draw one circle and another circle. A small circle and a small circle inside, a small circle and a small circle inside. You see, like that. And letter W and a U inside. A U shaped. You know letter U? Yes, you draw letter U. After that, you draw a small curve, letter V, letter V. And then you start coloring inside of the eye to give it a small effect. Color your black. Color the black part. Once you're done, you go to the next eye. And then you color it very fast. Color the black part. I hope you're enjoying coloring like me. You color, you see, the eyes have started looking different. You color the black part. And we are done. Yay! Now we go to the body part. You give it an effect. You can add another V and another V. Now let's go down. You curve, make a small curve and a slight U. Do the same thing. Go down. And make a slight turn. And then you join. After joining, you draw the tail. Wiggle tail. After drawing the wiggle tail, you draw the whiskers of the cat. After drawing the whiskers, you draw the tiny nose and you start coloring. I've colored mine brownish. You color, remember you color in straight lines, up, down, while reciting your favorite dhikr. Like Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah. You can even say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. As long as you color nicely while remembering Allah, okay? I'm almost done with my body part. Let's go to the other part. You're going to the head part. Remember, you can color any color you want, but you can't color pink, but you can have fun with it. You color inside the lines and not outside the lines. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We are almost done with our coloring. Come on, you can do it. We're almost done. And I gave it a pink on the mouth, a small pink. And then I gave it some nice spots of black and I colored the spots black. My cat is cream with black spots. And another spot of black. Another spot of black. We're done. And I added an extra spot of black. And then I gave it some paws, the cat paws. Then after that, I write the name of my cat. But it's just called cat. Okay? And we are done. I hope you have enjoyed my coloring and my drawing. As you can see here, I have my cat. So you can draw yours and send photos on the WhatsApp number down there below. Fi amanillah.